Question number 10. A circle has equation x square plus y square plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. And a straight line has the equation 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. The line intersects the circle at 2 points. Okay. Find the coordinate of these 2 points of intersection. We know that if circle and line intersect each other, so the point of intersection can be found out by solving these two equations simultaneously. So we have the equation x square plus y square plus 4y minus 21 equal to 0. We have another equation which is equation of line 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. We need to solve these two equations simultaneously. So from equation of line, y is equals to 8 minus 2x. So plugging this value of y in circle equation. So plug y equals to 8 minus 2x in circle equation. So this one is equals to x square plus y square means 8 minus 2x whole square plus 4y means 4 times 8 minus 2x minus 21 equal to 0. Solving, we will have x square plus applying formula, we will have 64 minus 632x plus 4x square. 4 times 8 is 32 and 4 times 2x is 8x minus 21 equal to 0. X square, 4x square is 5x square. Negative 32 minus 8x, so it will be negative 40x. 64 plus 32 minus 21 is plus 75 equal to 0. Taking 5 common, we will have x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0, and this one is equals to the x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation and we can solve it by formula or by factorization. So in this case, 15 times 1 is 15 times 1 is 15 and negative 5 times negative 3 is equals to 15. And when we add negative 5 plus negative 3 is equals to 8. So this equation can be written as x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. Taking x common, we will have x minus 5, and taking minus 3 common, we will have x minus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 3 times x minus 5 equal to 0. So we have two factors equating each with 0. We will have x minus 3 equal to 0, and then in this case we have x coordinate which is 3. We have second factor which is x minus 5 equal to 0, and in this case x is equal to 5. So we have calculated the x coordinate of the point of intersection, and we need to find the y coordinate of the point of intersection. So we know that the equation of line is y is equal to 8 minus 2x. So y is equal to 8 minus 2x. Plugging x coordinate, we can get y coordinate. So when we plug x is equal to 3, so y is equals to 8 minus 2 times x, which is 3, and this one is equals to y is equal to 8 minus 6, so y is equals to 2. We have another x coordinate. Plugging that x coordinate in equation of line, we will have y is equals to 8 minus 2x means 2 times 5, and this one is equals to 8 minus 10, so y is equals to negative 2. We have the 2 point of intersection. One is x which is 5 comma negative 2, and other is 3 comma 2. So these are 2 point of intersection. Point of intersections are 3 comma 2 and 5 comma negative 2. Now let's move to the part B. The circle has the center C and the 2 point of intersection are denoted by A and B. Find the area of the triangle ABC. This is a circle and this one is C, and we have the point of intersection A which is 3 comma 2, and this one is 5 comma negative 2. This one is B, this one is A. Okay, we need to find the area of this triangle. First, we find the coordinate of center from the equation of circle. We know that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This is the general equation of circle, and here h comma k is center and r is radius. First, we will find the center of the circle by using the given equation of circle, which is x square plus y square plus 4y minus 21. X square plus y square minus 4 plus 4y minus 21 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2 times y times 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 21 equal to 0. We just add and subtract the 2 square. Solving further, we will have x square plus y plus 2 whole square minus 2 square means 4 minus 21 equal to 0. Further solving, x square plus y plus 2 whole square, and this one is equal to 25. Comparing this circle equation with the x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So we can say that h is equal to 0 and k is equal to negative 2. So center is 0 comma negative 2, and we have the radius square, which is 25. So r square is 25, so we can say that radius is 5. So we have the coordinate of the c, which is 0 comma negative 2. Okay, we need to find the area of the triangle ABC, and we know that the area of the triangle is height and this is the base. So area of the triangle is 1 over 2 HB. Okay, we know that the line from center to the line AB meet at midpoint. So, and this point is midpoint M. So we find the midpoint of AB, which is M. Area midpoint of AB can be found by using the formula x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. In this case, A is equals to the 3 comma 2 and B is equals to the 5 comma negative 2, and this one is x1 y1 x2 y2. So plugging x coordinate and y coordinate in the midpoint formula, we will have M sum of the x coordinate, which is 3 plus 5 over 2 comma 2 plus negative 2 over 2, and this one is equals to the 8 over 2 comma 0 over 2, and this one is equals to the 4 comma 0. So we have the midpoint M. So height is the C to M. Height is CM, and the base is the B is base AB, and this one is height, this one is base. So we can find height and base using the distance formula, and we know that distance formula is equals to the under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So for height h, we have distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 square minus y2 minus y1 square. Sorry, this one is plus. C is equals to center, which is equals to the 0 comma negative 1, which is x1 and y1 in this case, and M is 4 comma 0 midpoint, which is equals to x2 comma y2. Plugging these values, we will have under root x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 0 plus y2 minus y1 means 0 minus negative 2 whole square. This one is equals to the 16 plus 2 square is 4. So this one is equals to under root 20. So we have the height, which is under root 20. Now we need to find the base, equals to B, which is also equals to the distance from AB. Again using distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. In this case, we will use AB, and A is equals to 3 comma 2, which is equals to x1 comma y1, and B is equals to the 5 comma negative 2, which is equals to x2 comma y2. Now plugging, we will have under root x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is negative 2 minus 2 whole square. Solving further, we will have 5 minus 3 is 2 square and negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 square is 16. So this one is also equals to under root 20. So we have the base, which is under root 20. We also have the height, which is under root 20. To find the area of the triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 over 2 height times base, and we know that height is under root 20 times base, which is also under root 20, and this one is equals to 20 over 2, which is equals to 10. So we have calculated the area of triangle ABC, and this one is 10 unit square.